Say that again. What do you want to do?
No, Elmo.
A new
You got a
Elmo?
new Elmo?
Who got you that new Elmo?
Daddy, Daddy.
Yes, he did.
Wow, you want to see what he does? Let's check it out. Oh, I think it's a big Elmo.
No, Elmo.
Can you give him a big hug?
Squeeze his chin and see what he does.
Here, first we have to try.
Oh, hold on.
Here, let's set him down. You want to see what he does?
Watch.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
You took it all out.
Watch.
What's he doing? Tickle him.
Tickle him.
Push him under his chin or
Tickle
push
him under.
his tummy.
Push his tummy.
Or push his piggy.
You gotta push him. Push
You
his
gotta push
piggy.
his piggy. Right here.
Push down.
Oh.
Is he laughing?
He's laughing. Wow. Can you say thank you,
Say thank you, Grandpa Donnie.
Say thank you, Grandpa Donnie.
Say it to the camera. Say thank you, Grandpa Donnie. Bye-bye.